So for task 20, combine an array into string using the join method. Use the join method, among others, inside the Sentensify function to make a sentence from the words in the string. Function should return a string. For example, I like Star Wars would be converted to I like Star Wars with no dash. For this challenge, do not use the replace method. So let's say return string that split and then s comma period, then let's have a console log Sentensify, may the first force be with you. And that's it. Oops. Console.log splitify. Oops. Sentensify rather. May the first. Oh, I forgot the join. That join. Okay. Next, apply functional programming to convert strings to URL slugs. Fill in the URL slug function so it converts a string title and returns the hyphenated version for the URL. You can use any of the methods covered in this section and don't use replace. Here are the requirements. The input is a string with spaces and title cased words. The output is a string with the spaces between words replaced by a hyphen. The output should be all lowercase letters. The output should not have any spaces. So let's create a variable. Var global title is equal to winter is coming. And then function URL slug title, and then return title that to lower case that trim that split s plus then that join and then var winter coming is equal to URL slug then global title. Use the every method to check that every element in an array meets a criteria. Use the every method inside the check positive function to check if every element in R is positive, the function should return a Boolean value. So let's have return r that every the num is greater than to 0. Next is use the sum method to check that any elements in an array meet a criteria. Use the sum method inside the check positive function to check if any element in array is positive. The function should return a Boolean value. So return r.sum num is greater than to 0. And so for the last one, introduction to querying a partial application. Fill in the body of the add function, so it uses querying to add parameters x, y, and z. So return function then return function z, then return x plus y plus z, (100% complete). That's it.